every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm gonna try a very unusual recipe for me. We definitely in Lithuania don't have anything similar to this, and I don't think if for this food challenge I would ever really try anything like Laura's Sauteed Escarole. So if you're as curious to see how it goes, how it looks in the very end, and how it tastes most importantly, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 250 grams of escarole chopped, 2 cloves of garlic sliced, 30 grams of pitted kalamata olives halved, 20 grams of pine nuts, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of hot pepper flakes, and salt and pepper. I have here a pot full of water coming to a boil. It's not salted or anything, and what I'm gonna start with is by blanching the escarole. That is, I'm gonna cook it for 1 minute, drain, and set aside. I have my drained escarole here, and now I'm gonna move on to the skillet. So to a non-stick skillet, I'm gonna add olive oil and garlic without preheating the skillet, and then turn the heat to medium-high and cook everything for 2 minutes. And now to this, I'm gonna add the hot pepper flakes and the pine nuts and cook for 1 more minute. My goodness, this smells amazing. Okay, so now it's the time for the escarole to go in. I'm gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, not too much salt because kalamata olives are quite salty, and then cook for 2 more minutes. Okay, and now kalamata olives go in as well for 1 last minute, and that's it. Okay, 2 facts for sure. 1, this is an incredibly quick recipe. 2, it smells really good. It looks very strange, very unusual, but I'm ready to try it out. Wow! Oh, that's... I'm making myself laugh. This is actually really cool. It kind of reminds of... It has this Chinese food vibe, a bit. Oh, wow. Wow, that's really cool. I'm kind of speechless because I had no idea what to expect. I honestly never ate sauteed lettuce, but I have to say I like it. I have a feeling that as unusual as it looks, my family will like it too. Oh, now I want to experiment. That's it. I'm gonna make my mom this today, and I'm gonna observe her closely because I'm really curious how she will like it. You know what? Funny story. Now is around the time where I have a cup of coffee and some snack, and while this recipe claims to be for 2 people, I have a feeling this will be my snack of the day. It's really good. I love the pine nuts. I love the combination of these nuts and olives and garlic and weirdly cooked spinach. Oh wait, not spinach. What was the name of this lettuce? Escarole. Oh my god, and it's You wouldn't at least in my family, we don't really use this hardy types of lettuce in our salads because we like the more, softer ones. But in such form, this is amazing because it's like really crunchy. I don't know. I'm obsessed. I really, really like it. And I knew, I had no idea what to expect, really. This is great. This is how Laura's looks like. Pretty much the exact same way. If you want, you can check out her video. If you want a written recipe of this interesting dish, check the description box down below. It will be in both American and the metric system, so anyone could try it out because, this is really cool. Now, I'm super curious. Where you're from, is this something you eat? Have you ever tried? Would you be willing to try? And if you do, let me know how you like it because, coffee or not, but I'm gonna go and have a snack now. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this was fun and helpful. If you want more recipes like this, you can check out the playlist you can see now on the screen. And that's it. I will be going and spending some more time with my snack. And I will see you in a bit. Bye!